Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 69 of Building the Tumbler, the Batman Dark Knight vehicle. This time we're starting on, I believe, one of the side windows. Weapons and armour. Obviously, we're going to read about first on one of the older Batmobiles. All good stuff. Looking at the new Batman. Not really new. It's the same as the old Batman. But yeah, I wonder, did he obviously changed from the 66 style colours to something a little bit different in a lot of them, but I don't know. I've not read any of the comics really, but especially none of the newer ones. He's just gone to the movie style black. I don't know. So yes, this is the what does it call it? The left window and its frame. Nice easy build this time. I've done enough piddly stuff for now. Well, we've got the left window and the frame. We're putting the left window into the frame. It's going to take so many stages to do it. All that's just popping it into the frame. All the pictures for nothing. And that's that. Next time we've got the left panel, which basically I think just goes around the outside of that. So let's clear this out of the way. We'll get this window in the frame, and that will be it for this build issue. Yeah, there we go. So we've got our metal framework. Quite nice. It's got the little plugs or little pins on there. We've got our plastic window, which will go on there and locate in place with each of these little pins. Get it lined up just right. Should push in place. That will hold it secure enough without any screws, glue or anything else like that. So there we go. That is the left window installed onto our panel. As I say, next time we're going to be doing the outside bit, and we'll have a look and see how it all fits together onto the frame that we've got so far. So join me for that next time. A little bit more involved next time. For now, thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye-bye for now. Yeah.